Naftali Bennett is an Israeli politician who served as Minister of Diaspora Affairs from 2013 to 2019 and as Minister of Defense from 2019 to 2020. He led the Jewish Home Party between 2012 and 2018 and currently serves as an MK for the New Right. And Yamina, born and raised in Haifa, the son of immigrants from the United States, Bennett served in the Sayeret Matkal and Maglan Special Forces units of the Israel Defense Forces, taking part in many combat operations, and subsequently became a software entrepreneur. In 1999, he co-founded and co-owned the US company Cyotha, operating in the anti-fraud space, focused on online banking fraud, e-commerce fraud, and phishing. The company was sold in 2005 for $145 million. He has also served as CEO of Soluto, an Israeli cloud computing service, sold in 2013 for a reported $100-130 million. He entered politics in 2006, serving as Chief of Staff for Benjamin Netanyahu until 2008. In 2011, together with Eilat Shaked, he co-founded the My Israel Extra Parliamentary Movement. In the 2013 Knesset elections, the first contested by the Jewish Home under Bennett's leadership, the party won 12 seats out of 120. He served as Minister of Economy and Religious Services from 2013 to 2015 and as Minister of Education from 2015 to 2019. Naftali Bennett was born in Haifa, Israel, on the 25th of March 1972. He is the youngest of three sons born to Jim and Myrna Bennett, American Jewish immigrants who moved to Israel from San Francisco in 1967, a month after the Six-Day War. His father's Jewish roots come from Poland, Germany, and the Netherlands. His maternal grandparents moved to San Francisco from Poland 20 years before the outbreak of World War II, and relocated to Israel as seniors, settling on Witkin Street in Haifa. Through his paternal grandmother, Bennett is a descendant of the Rappaport rabbinic family and of the medieval biblical commentator Rashi. Some of his mother's other family members who remained in Poland were murdered in the Holocaust. Both of Bennett's parents observed modern Orthodox Judaism. After moving to Israel, they volunteered for a few months at Kibbutz Dafna, where they studied the Hebrew language, then settled in the Ahuza neighborhood of Haifa. Jim Bennett was a successful real estate broker turned real estate entrepreneur. Myrna Bennett was the Deputy Director General of the Association of Americans and Canadians in Israel's Northern Program. When Bennett was 4, the family moved to Montreal for 2 years as part of his father's job. Upon returning to Haifa, Bennett began attending Carmel Elementary School. When he was in 2nd grade, the family moved to New Jersey for 2 years. Again as part of his father's job, the family returned to Haifa when Bennett was 10. Bennett has 2 brothers. One, Asher, is a businessman now based in the United Kingdom. The other, Daniel, is an accountant for Zim Integrated Shipping Services. Naftali Bennett attended Yavnei Yeshiva High School in Haifa, and became a youth leader with the religious Zionist youth organization Bnei Akiva. Bennett was drafted into the Israel Defense Forces in 1990. He served in the Sayeret Matkal and Maglan Commando units as a company commander. He continues to serve in the reserves today with the rank of major. Bennett served in the Israeli security zone in Lebanon during the 1982-2000 South Lebanon conflict. He took part in many operations, including Operation Grapes of Wrath. After his IDF service, Bennett received a law degree from the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. During the 2006 Lebanon War, he was called up as a reservist in the Maglan Special Forces Unit and participated in a search and destroy mission behind enemy lines, operating against Hezbollah rocket launchers. Some of Bennett's actions as a Special Forces commando are controversial, particularly in his involvement in Operation Grapes of Wrath, when he called in artillery fire after his unit came under mortar fire, and the resulting shelling hit a United Nations compound in which civilians were taking refuge, an incident that became known as the Kana Massacre. Journalist Yigal Sarna argued that Bennett displayed poor judgment while serving in the Maglan Commando unit during the operation. Sarna argued that Bennett led a force of 67 combat troops into Lebanon. At a certain point, he decided to ignore orders and change operational plans, without coordinating these moves with his superiors, who in his mind were cowardly and not steadfast enough. Near the village of Kefar Kana, Bennett's troops were caught in an ambush. 102 civilians were killed, and 10 wounded, of them 4 United Nations peacekeepers. Bennett responded, "I have now been subjected to an attack claiming that I am responsible for the massacre in Kefar Kana. Heroism will not be investigated. Keep looking in the archives. My military file is available for viewing. And it's waiting for you." Former members of Bennett's unit wrote a letter defending him, saying, "NAFTA